Alright, so this is a 2020 Toyota RAV4. We're going to change the transmission oil or transmission fluid, but first we have to remove all the cover here, engine cover. So we have access, so like this. Now all the cover is removed, and that's the drain plug, and the fill plug is on the driver's side right here. It's on the driver's side of the transmission, and it's all the way here, this one here. See these big plugs here? That's the fill plug, and first you have to remove this plastic cover here also, and also the tires. And you're gonna need a number 10 of an Allen key socket here to remove the drain plug. So here's the oil, it's draining, and also when you're draining the oil, wait until the oil will stop draining, and then after that you have to remove this plastic tube. There is a plastic tube in that drain plug, so you have to remove. You're gonna need a screwdriver or a set of Allen key to remove this, but I just use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, to remove it. So once you remove it, then it will drain the rest of the oil. You cannot change this without changing the you cannot change the oil, the fluid, without taking this out, because it's not, you will not draining all of it. So you must have to remove this tube here in order for you to drain it properly. So right there, so this is inside the hole, and this is the plug for the fill plug. So as you can see now, I have a funnel here, goes straight to the fill plug right there, as you can see. And I'm only using a Toyota transmission fluid. And also make sure when you fill up, after you fill up, when you fill up, you have to put the tube back, and don't put the plug for the drain plug yet. So you're gonna leave that open, and while you're putting the oil, the fluid. So once you put the fluid in, when you see the fluid is coming out, then you can start the vehicle, and then keep pouring. Once you start the vehicle, just keep pouring until you see the fluid is coming out again, and then you're gonna wait until the temperature went to the half, to the middle, right, into the normal temperature. Once the engine reached normal temperature, then you can stop and observe the drain, if it's still oil coming out. So you'll see in a minute. So here, you see that it's dropping. So you're going to wait until that oil it stopped zipping out. can see they're still dripping, right? So here now, you can see now it's slowing down, and that should be good enough. Once you reach that once the oil is slowing down, so you're doing this while you're putting the fluid, right? So the vehicle is in a normal temperature, the engine is running while you're putting the fluid, and you're gonna watch the drain hole. If the fluid is coming out, you stop putting fluid and you wait, and then when it's no longer fluids coming out, then that should be it. Yeah, you put everything back and you're ready to go. So if this video helpful, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.